Hello everyone, welcome to Safe Investing. So for this week, is Corsair an opportunity? In the last episode, I talked about Intel, and I still believe that Intel is a great opportunity. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. So here's some background information about Corsair. So generally people know Corsair as a meme stock. However, it does actually have decent earnings. There's a chance that Wall Street's bet may do a short squeeze later on in the year, possibly I would estimate maybe a 3 month to 6 month from now. There's a chance that it will do a short squeeze to about $40 and potentially $50. So it's a good speculating opportunity. And Corsair products do have decent reviews. For example, their RAM, their SSD, their power supply, their keyboards, their mice, their headsets, they all have very good reviews on Newegg, as well as on Amazon and other online stores. And the market capacity for Corsair is really reasonable right now, below 3 billion. I think that's a good number. It means that this company has a lot of room for growth, and also means that it's easy to do a short squeeze. And this revenue is fairly strong too. So overall, I think that Corsair is a good opportunity. So on Friday, Corsair closed at $31.73, and this price is basically the on the low end of Corsair's pricing. So I don't think that it will go much further than that. However, it is possible for Corsair to enter the high 20s as well, as this is also reasonable for Corsair to be at 28 or 29. But overall, I think that this price is a pretty good entry point. And in terms of earnings, Corsair does have a decent earnings. For quarter one, its earnings is 58 cents, and over 12 months, its earnings per share is $1.98. But for next quarter, the quarter two earning estimate is slightly lower at 37 cents, and that's a bit lower than I would like it to be. And as currently the P ratio of Corsair is 16.3, which isn't all that impressive compared to other companies such as Western Digital or Seagate, which also offers a dividend, or compared to Micron. So I think that in terms of earnings, it's a good earnings, but it's not great. So currently Corsair does not offer dividends, but I think that in the future, as their revenue and their profits is fairly strong right now, so there's a possibility that it may offer dividends in the future, but we will see. Because companies like Micron have super good earnings, and yet they still haven't offered a dividend yet, even though I'm hopeful that they will sometime in the future, as the Micron stock slowly becomes more of a value stock than a growth stock. As for growth, so there's more room for growth in the gaming industry, right? More and more people are going into gaming right now, and more people can afford computers compared to 20 years ago, where the computer is considered a luxury good. Now it's pretty much every household has a computer all over the world, even in some remote places in the world. And right now, there's a lot of decent reviews for Corsair on the online shopping market, such as on Newegg or Amazon, and a lot of returning customers as well for Corsair. Their RAM and SSDs are selling decently, and I think that there is some room for growth as for that, so I would give it an 8 out of 10 for growth. Overall, I think Corsair is a pretty good opportunity if you're into a speculation. Just wait until a short squeeze comes and you can exit your position then. And so right now I would give it an 8 out of 10 as a good buy. I wouldn't say it's the greatest, strongest buy, but I say it's a decent buy. And it's something that you should add to your portfolio. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. And remember to invest